Let's see how we can add Hubspot here. So for that, first we'll have to click on add custom tool. Here we'll just have to add the app name that we want to add. Now you can see here the Hubspot is added. Now we'll have to configure an authentication. So for Hubspot, we'll have to select bearer token, which I have generated for my account. You can use your bearer token for this, and here you can paste your bearer token and submit. And now we'll have to add the action here. First, we'll have to add the action name. For me, let's say get customer contacts, and then we'll have to add the endpoint URL and select the method as a get, and that's it. Submit, and the action is added here. Then let's run this API and see if it's working. Yes, now you can see the response.